Welcome this video landscape idea to transforming your outdoor space. Landscape is more than just main interest your yacht. It's about create an outdoor oasis that reflect your style, enhance your home hub appear and provide a space where you can relax and entertain, whether you have a smart backyard or a switch gardening. There are controllers landscape idea to sub even test and budget. Here are some inspired ideas to help you transforming your outdoor space. Create a focal point. Even well designed landscape should have a focal point that draw the eye sketch and add interior to the space. They could be a watershed such as a fountain or font and large sub to beautiful place tree or even gardening about create and in cabin plants. The focal point should be strain place to create a scene of balance and harmony in the gardening. It can also provide us a gardening those there you can place